Introducing the HiBREW H1B coffee machine. Today, we'll make a refreshing iced coffee using the K-Cup capsule brewing cup. First, turn on the machine. You'll see the display shows it's in hot mode. Press the extraction button to start cooling down. The machine will automatically stop cooling once the temperature reaches 25 degrees, perfect for iced coffee. Now, insert the K-Cup capsule into the adapter and place it in the machine. Adjust the water level to your desired amount, ensuring the perfect balance of coffee strength for your iced drink. Press the extraction button to start brewing. Watch as the coffee flows, cooling down as it brews. Your iced coffee is now ready. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, refreshing iced coffee with the HiBREW H1B coffee machine. Thanks for watching.